spilling it.
Yeah, I'm fucking done with it. I'll just drink it like this. Yay! That's a good boy. Look at that straw. Okay, there it is. Okay, there we go.
Gotta get another juice. There was my phone.
Pick it up. No. Jonathan! No, puppy. This way. Here. Here. That's for you.
What happened to my phone?
He just spilled it all over the rug.
Oh, that sucks. You don't need another juice. You stole my first one.
Get the fuck over here, straw. There you go. Oh, I help you. There you go. No, right here, puppy. There. Yum. Yum. Here.
This one's cold.
Hey, you're beautiful. No, you're gonna spill it. Here. Yummy for the baby. Drink it right there.
Stephanie's sister's baby. He's 7 months, and he has as much hair as Jonathan did when he was a newborn.
Oh, wow.
Not even a lot, just like that.
Jonathan, the wrong way.
He's 7 months. Jonathan's 6.5.
No, puppy. You're spilling it all over the place. Drink it from the straw. Yummy. There you go. Dump it. Dump it. There you go. The straw. No. Drink it. Hey.
He sees me holding it, that's right.
No more. No more. I got it. Do you want it? I got it. Did he give you another one?
Yeah, my second one. No.
I think I just want to play with it now.
No.
Don't fight with her.
Oh my god.
Jonathan.